JIH-I. This machine acts as advanced machinery for boring, tapping, and milling. It is available for various aluminum materials, short-scale multiple processing, and long-scale processing. Features: choice of working lengths 3, 4, 5, and 6 meters. It is available for long-scale processing. It is usable on any material of short-scale multiple processing. It is adjustable for angle shaft, angle head. Large angle shaft can drill to 13 millimeters with manual installation. Small angle shaft installs an automatic tool exchange system and can drill to 10 millimeters. Traveling column structure features high positioning accuracy. All linear guideways and ball screws are automatically lubricated to keep all axes moving smoothly. The column longitudinal traverse is driven through servo motor combined with gear rack transmission. 3-axis travel and driven by servo motors, x-axis 50 meters per minute, y-axis 24 meters per minute, z-axis 24 meters per minute. High-precision linear guideways on 3 axes assure fast and smooth travel. Turret-type 12-tool magazine and time-saving. Turret-type magazine employs armless tool change design, bidirectional random tool selection to increase tool change speed, as well as standard tool magazine loading capacity of 12 tools. An optional 10-tool magazine is available. Air clamps to make workpieces uneasily deformed and damaged, and stable working. Emergency hold wire is equipped at the front end of the machine for man-machine safety. Movable chips are equipped at the bottom of the machine, providing convenient chip handling. This machine is equipped with a PC-based CNC control as standard equipment. It features conversational operation control and is easy to learn and operate. The control box is equipped with an MPG hand wheel, providing added convenience for tool setting and running testing. This machine is equipped with an oil mist cooling system for efficient cooling of cutting tool and workpiece. It not only extends the service life of the tool, but also ensures superior cutting quality. The column is ruggedly constructed with maximum rigidity, assuring deformation-free performance at all times. The column moves on high-precision linear guideways. Extra wide span between linear ways provides solid support for column. High precision ball screws are driven by a servo motor, ensuring fast movement and high positioning accuracy for column. CNC